Here's our little angel. 8 weeks home the day we brought her home. Honey.
Well, hi, honey. Are you ready to play? Come on, let's play. Let's play.
Are you doing the shaky shake? Did you learn that from Stacy? Doing the shaky shake? Shake the piggy?
Oh, that hurts. That hurts. Here. How about that?
Angel, no.
Hello. Hello. Hello, sweetie. Hi. Hello. Hello, honey. Here, I got this for chewing. Not my fingers, because that hurts. Here, ow. Here. Yeah, there you go. Good girl.
Angel, were you being cute?
Where all this energy come from?
You got a lot of energy, don't you, Angel? Huh? Yeah.